Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is January 1st, 2024. Happy New Year. We're going to take a look at our tomato experiment. Now, you can already tell as I walk up onto this bed that something is happening here. It looks like these tomatoes are enjoying this soil and this location. Okay, so the soil conditions, leaves and detritus, inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. They were left to sit in a pit for over a year. Pulled that material out, put it in this bed. I also dug down a few inches below the surface to allow for more of the material to go into the bed than what you see here on the subsurface. These are cherry tomatoes, and the only ones that came up over here for the bigger tomatoes were those two locations out of, I think, nine holes that we dug. But the cherry tomatoes seem to be the ones that want to do the best. These guys are supposed to be able to survive through chills. These guys, there was no statement that said that they would, so this is just one big experiment. We haven't had any chills yet this year. I suspect they'll come late January, early February, if we do get any. The only reason why I'm trying to do this during the winter is because in the summertime we have the worms. They just annihilate the plants. So unless you're able to grow the tomatoes in the summertime in a greenhouse where you can close them off completely from the moths and the worms and the bugs, you're gonna have a really hard time, or unless you want to use insecticides. And I don't really want to use insecticides, so that's why I'm trying to do this in the winter time. Going forward, I might experiment with the whole greenhouse ideology. We'll see. I might just make a very like a screened-in enclosure around this bed here, just to see if I could get away with doing it that way. But it'd have to be really tight. I'd really have to get my seams to be completely cut off from the exterior environment. So I don't know. We'll see if that can be done. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these tomatoes throughout this winter. Have a great day.